Welcome back. So question is find Laplace of 3 sin 2t minus 5 cos 2t. So we have by using the linearity property thrice Laplace of sin 2t minus 5 Laplace of cos 2t. And we know that Laplace of sin 80 equal to a upon s square plus a square, and Laplace of cos 80 equal to s upon s square plus a square. By using these formulas, we have here a equal to 2 and here a equal to also 2. So we have 3 into 2 upon s square plus 2 square minus 5 into s upon s square plus 2 square. Taking LCM and simplifying, we have 6 minus 5s upon s square plus 4. Laplace of 4 cos square 80. So we know that the formula for cos 2a equal to 2 cos square a minus 1, and we have 2 cos square a equal to 1 plus cos 2a. So by using this formula, above question can be written as 2 Laplace of 1 plus cos 280, and by la linearity property we have 2 Laplace of 1 plus Laplace of cos 280, and we know that Laplace of 1 is equal to 1 upon s, and Laplace of cos 80 is equal to s upon s square plus a square. So we have Laplace of 1 equal to 1 upon s, and Laplace of cos 280 equal to s upon s square plus 4a square is the answer. So question is find Laplace transform of the function ft equal to sin t minus cos t square. So solution, we have given that ft equal to sin t minus cos t square. So by using the formula a minus b whole square, so above ft equal to sin square t plus cos square t minus 2 sin t cos t, and we know that sin square t plus cos square t equal to 1, and 2 sin t cos t equal to sin 2t. So ft equal to 1 minus 2 sin t. So our question is convert into this term. So we have by using the linearity property, so Laplace of 1 minus Laplace of sin 2t. So we know that Laplace of 1 equal to 1 upon s, and Laplace of sin 80 equal to a upon s square plus a square. So we have Laplace of 1 equal to 1 upon s, and Laplace of sin 2t equal to 2 upon s square plus 4. So on simplifying, we have s square minus 2s plus 4 upon s into s square plus 4 is the answer. And the Laplace transform of sin square 80. So we Laplace of sin square 80, and we know that formula for cos 2a equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a, and we can write sin square equal to 1 minus cos 2a upon 2. So by using this formula, above function can be written as 1 minus cos 280 upon 2. So we have 1 by 2 Laplace of 1 minus Laplace of cos 280, and we know that Laplace of 1 equal to 1 upon s, Laplace of cos 280 equal to s upon 2a square. This is the final answer also. Find Laplace of 2 e power 3t minus e power minus 3t. So given question is Laplace of 2 e power 3t minus e power minus 3t. So by linearity property we have Laplace of twice Laplace of, so by linearity property we have twice Laplace of e power 3t minus Laplace of e power minus 3t. So by using the formula of Laplace of e power at equal to 1 upon s minus a. So Laplace of e power 3t equal to 1 upon s minus 3. Laplace of e power minus 3t equal to 1 upon s plus 3. And we have final answer s plus 9 upon s square minus 9 is the answer. So next question is find Laplace transform of f, the function ft equal to e power at minus 1 upon a. So given function is this, and we can write this function equal to 1 upon a Laplace of e power at minus Laplace of 1. So we know that Laplace of e power at equal to 1 upon s minus a and Laplace of 1 equal to 1 upon s. Taking LCM, so we have final answer 1 upon s into s minus a. Find Laplace transform of 3 cos hyperbolic 5t minus 4 sin hyperbolic 5t. So we have by linearity property this function can be written as 3 Laplace of cos hyperbolic 5t minus 4 Laplace of sin hyperbolic 5t. And we know that formula of cos Laplace of cos hyperbolic at equal to s upon s square minus a square and Laplace of sin hyperbolic at equal to a upon s square minus a square. By using these formulas we have 3 into s upon s square minus 5 square minus 4 into 5 upon s square minus 5 square. Taking LCM and simplifying, we have 3s minus 20 upon s square minus 25 is the answer.